In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your favorite items on Vestiaire Collective. This guide is perfect for those who love to shop online or keep track of sought-after fashion pieces. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to fire up your web browser and type in Vestiaire Collective into the search bar. This will help you locate the platform where you can find a vast array of pre-loved luxury fashion items. Once you see the list of search results, go ahead and select the first option. This should take you directly to the home page of Vestiaire Collective. Now that you're on the site, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in option, which is usually located towards the top right corner of the website. If you're not signed in yet, click on it. If you're new to the site, you'll need to create an account, but for those of you who are already members, simply input your login credentials to continue. Now that you are logged in, you'll want to start browsing. Scroll down the page until you come across an item that catches your eye and that you'd like to save for future reference. Vestiaire Collective has a wide selection, so take your time exploring until you find something that truly stands out. Once you've found the item you love, take a look towards the upper right corner of the item's listing. You should see a little heart icon there. This is the key to marking an item as your favorite. Simply click on this heart icon and voila! The item is now saved as a favorite. This feature is incredibly useful for creating a personalized shopping list or simply keeping an eye on items that pique your interest. After you've saved your items by clicking the heart icon, you might want to review your list of favorites. To do this, find the heart icon again among the site's top navigation, typically positioned beside your profile icon. Clicking on this heart will quickly bring up all the items you've marked as favorites, making it easy to view your selections in one convenient place. It's a great way to manage and organize the pieces you're interested in, helping you make more informed purchasing decisions down the line. And there you have it. You're all set to navigate Vestiaire Collective and save your favorite items efficiently. This simple yet effective process ensures you won't lose track of those must-have fashion finds. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping on Vestiaire Collective.